Walt Disney Studios Park is the smallest park of all the Disneylands together, but that might not be in the near future because Walt Disney Studios is expanding with a Frozen Land, a Star Wars Land and Avengers Campus. In this video I'm going to talk about the Avengers Campus and I'm going to give you an update. With the upcoming MCU movies increasing in popularity and the Avengers Campus in Disneyland California, Disneyland Paris follows with the Avengers Campus. And there is a lot to explore. They have been giving us a few Easter eggs on what to expect on the Avengers Campus. Avengers Campus, it opens up on July 20th, 2022, which is this summer, and they have Easter dropped all these concept arts and it looks amazing. The idea of Avengers Campus is that Tony Stark founded it to find new recruits for future missions. So what can you expect? You can expect a whole Marvel universe on Disneyland property. You can expect Marvel characters running around and interacting with everyone. You can expect a dance-off with Guardians of the Galaxy, Gamora and Peter Quill aka Star-Lord. Melange where you can train with them to become one. Those are all the aspects of the Marvel Avengers Campus. There's a lot to explore. What attractions can you expect? They have built two new attractions. The first one is one themed around Iron Man and Captain Marvel, which is called Flight Force Avengers Assemble. The attraction is a high-speed roller coaster instead of Rocket Roller Coaster, which was featured by Aerosmith. The second attraction is one with Spider-Man, which is called Spider-Man W.E.B Adventure. The idea is that Spider-Man has all these spider bots and they have been going a little bit out of control and duplicating themselves. So what do we have to do? Spider-Man is asking you for help to control those spider bots. So how do you do it? You go into your vehicle and you shoot webs with your hands. It is with a new interactive technology that has never ever seen before. There are also a lot of places to dine. We have two big restaurants. The first is Pim's Kitchen. It is where your food shrinks or grows. You have gigantic pretzels, mini beers. There are lots of with the Pim particles. You also have a wine in the color blue of the Pim particle. And the second restaurant is around Iron Man and it's called Stark Factory. And it features all Iron Man's favorite dishes, mainly Italian dishes. You also have the super dinner where you can get your sandwiches and two food trucks also for Iron Man and Spider-Man. If you are worried that you are dressed well more Disney or normal like, don't worry, you can get your Marvel equipment in a Mission Equipment Boutique. They have all these new interactive toys. For example, you have the Spider-Bots that you have to fight in the new Spider-Man W.E.B Adventure attraction, and you can remote control them, which is super cool. And you have all kinds of clothing, mugs, accessories, everything you expect from a Disneyland park. Something that you can also buy is an interactive Spider-Man arm, which can be helpful in the Spider-Man attraction. It is compatible to the attraction, which is a new technology and has never seen before. You can buy it and can shoot the web shooters in the attraction, which increases your score. Do you want to go to the opening? Be quick because tickets are running out. Everyone wants to be there. You might even see some Marvel actors because when the opening of the Avengers Campus in California, there were all the Marvel actors. I've seen Brie Larson, I have seen Tom Holland, a lot of actors, so don't miss out on that. Do you want to have the full Marvel experience? Make sure to book the ticket with a Marvel hotel. and eat your dinner at the Marvel Hotel in Downtown Restaurant or Manhattan Restaurant and get the full Marvel experience. If you want to have an exclusive looking into the Marvel Hotel, make sure to watch this video where we already give you a full tour of the Marvel Hotel. In the description of this video we have made an article where you can read everything about it just as you want to. And there's also all these pictures of the concept art, so don't forget to go into that description. And if you like content like this, make sure to check out the other videos that we're making. We're making videos about hotels, tips, everything. If you like this video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It is completely free, and hit that notification bell so you will always be updated when we have a new video online. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has helped you, and we will be there to share everything Avengers Campus. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you next time. Bye bye.